Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to enter in the promo discount code for Mercari. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to open up Mercari. So I'm going to head on over to Google, type in Mercari, and then head on over to here. And now I'm going to just put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to go tech, I'm going to click on this phone here, Apple iPhone 5S. Now I'm going to add to cart. And now what you want to do is click on view cart. So it would either pop up down here or scroll up to the top of the page. And now click on view cart. And now from here, click on buy now, and it'll take you to another page where you can have a look at the product and also put in your payment information. And on that page there'll be a spot on that page to put in a promo code or discount code, so go ahead and do that and then continue on with your checkout to receive the discount for that product or products.